Frequently at Renaissance Learning, we talk about the value of assessment being that simple formula of I over C, where I stands for the information that the assessment produces in relation to its cost. However, some people miss a very vital part of calculating their cost. They're very concerned about the dollar amount that goes on a PO, but they think far less about the cost of time and the cost of other resources. For example, sometimes in RTI, people would tell us that they downloaded a free assessment. Well, once that assessment touched the copy machine and began to get duplicated for all the students, it was no longer free. We'd expended toner, and we'd expended paper, and we'd expended time. And then some of those free assessments mushroomed into being incredibly costly ones when we asked the teacher to sit across from an individual student and spend 3 or 4 minutes calculating that assessment. So we have to challenge schools to think about total cost of ownership, meaning not just the direct costs that they outlay, but if an assessment takes additional time and additional resources, this also needs to be part of the equation. A citation that I frequently use, particularly in the RTI arena, comes from Gersten and Compton. And essentially what they are saying here is, if a school can find an assessment that will do more than one thing for them, they need to seriously consider using that assessment. Because if you have to find additional measures to meet additional needs that you have, what they say is that that will require additional staff time and that may displace instruction. I frequently talk with the people in the forums about this one, and I ask them that if we were going to change one word, what would they want to change? Time and time again, educators target the word may, and they want to change that word from may to will, because we don't really see a way that you can require additional staff time and not displace instruction.